think we're gonna go check out the pink house, but I don't know where we are going. We're not going the way, because the pink house is back there. And we're going this way. I don't know where we're going. I'm probably gonna post this as a YouTube shorts.
Who lives in the White House? Kyler.
Mr. White.
Kyler, go around to the park.
This is a crazy spot. There's so many people. There's a lot of water. There's music. Oh, look at lily pads. Look at them. They're so cute. I like that one right there. Swimming close to me. That one. There's like one giant one. There's a black one. There's a giant red one. That like giant orange one right there. It's near the lily pads.
Look at that one.
That one right there is giant. That is so cool. I don't know if we're going to we're going to the pink house.
Yep.
Let's head to the pink house, y'all. Pink house is that way.
Now I'm just taking photos.
Look at all this. It's gorgeous right here. The giant palm tree. This giant water fountain. I don't know, but look at these little flowers. They're little flowers.
Oh yeah.
Wait, do we have any? Kyla, do you have an extra coin that I can use for the wishing one?
I think we got to the wishing well is over.
The wishing well's over on that side. Could we check out the pink house now? I just want to see how pretty it looks inside the pink house.
We're not gonna go. We can't go in it, but we can walk over to it.
We can walk over to it. We can't go in it, sadly. That's crazy. We're heading right there. To me, on my screen, it looks blue, but it's actually pink. Yours is like purple. Mine is like blue.
Oh yeah, yours is like fully blue. Mine's like purple. But it's really pink. I think
It looks really pretty. Not gonna lie, it looks really nice and pink. It's not actually blue. And on Quinn's iPad, it's purple.
pink, purple, and blue.
Here's the moon. Such a pretty nice, a really nice bright moon. It's really bright. Here's the pink house. I can't really see it because my quality on my iPad isn't as good. But it looks really
I just
pretty.
gotta remember all this beautiful scenery.
Look at it. There's plants everywhere in here. It's huge.
They grow all this plants.
See, look at that.
All their basil. Radish shoot. Yep. Lettuce. Look at that lettuce.
And then we head over here. That's big.
So big. Oh,
We
look at
call
all
it
these
the
tomatoes.
We call it the pink house.
Yes. Instead of the greenhouse.
Here's the tomato area where all of the tomatoes are. These are where the tomatoes are.
I just gotta remember all of this. It's so pretty. Go.
I'm still recording.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, and guess what? The videos on my channel, it actually lets me upload like 4-minute YouTube shorts. What are you saying? Oh, that's good. Hello, Cricket, wherever you are. Bye bye, Cricket, wherever you are. Could we go to the wishing well? Ah. Here's my favorite flower right here. It's gorgeous. This one's a nice yellow flower, and that's that one right there. It looks blue, but it's not. This one's a nice pink one. It looks blue currently, but it's not blue. This one's a nice yellow one. This one's nice red. It looks blue. I don't know why. This one's yellow, of course. yellow and pink. Just yellow. Currently, we have this big, gigantic palm tree with lights wrapped around it. Here's the bell tower. Yeah, she's right. Yes, it's very highly recommended, actually. And we got this really nice pool that kind of looks similar to our pool we had in India. Currently, no one's there at the moment. Oh, yeah, the brothers are here. I'm not recording them.
Okay, let's go this way. Let's go this way.
Time to go to the wishing well. I don't know why, but when I step close to that pink house, it looks.
My camera roll's probably gonna be full
Oh, I see the McDonald's sign.
Yeah.
Brody Bowling just sent me something. Evil Brodies.
AKA the bell tower.
The bell tower is really huge. I wish I can go up there to see it.
In and out sign.
Yeah, there's an in and out sign peeking out. There's like right there showing meetings, events. Yeah, weddings. There's a spot right here. It is kind of blurry, but there's a spot right here everywhere. It's like huge. Some lights. There's music going on. Look at that. It's so pretty. I might try to get that in my house. Which I will update soon. So I'm gonna post it.
How many bells there are?
There's a lot of bells up there. There's a drone up there that you can't even see. I see a drone up there. I don't know. Tyler, do you have any pennies? I want to do a wish. Do you have any coins? I need one to wish something.
We can always come back tomorrow.
Think about her wish and then throw it in. I wished, and I can't tell you my wish. I'm really hoping that my wish comes true.
Oh, me too.
It's a wish I always wanted to come, that I always wanted it to become true. I don't know how to speak.
No, you're good. Wait, what
I meant is that I want my wish to come true because it's a really rare wish that might not come true, but might.
Wait, something that I could.
There's like a 50% chance of it becoming true.
Wait, want to know what I heard? The more value your coin is,
Yep, we sure did. Bye.